Only our cameras are there as a man from Haiti arrives in South Florida to face disturbing sex crime charges. That man is accused of getting a 10-year-old girl pregnant. U.S. Marshals just brought him back from Haiti to face charges in Fort Lauderdale. CBS 4's Carrie Codd is at Fort Lauderdale Police Headquarters with the exclusive details.
Fort Lauderdale police tell us Raymond Vincent is accused of a sickening crime, impregnating a 10-year-old girl. Then investigators say he fled to Haiti. Raymond Vincent returned to South Florida at Miami International Airport this afternoon. He was cuffed and handed over to Fort Lauderdale police. Investigators say Vincent was a family friend of the girl's, and when she showed up at a hospital back in February complaining of being sick, she was actually pregnant. The investigation led detectives to Vincent as a suspect. We're told he was tracked down in Haiti in late June and handed over to the U.S. Marshals. Court records show this is not Vincent's first brush with the law. He was accused in 2012 of multiple counts of lewd and lascivious molestation on a young girl. However, court sources tell us a jury acquitted Vincent of those charges. I'm told that Vincent will be taken to the Broward County Jail to be booked in once he finishes here at the police department with detectives.